All right. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for coming this afternoon. I'm Adam Rack.
And I am Keenan O'Hearn, and we are the co-founders of Revino. So quick show of hands here. How many people like a fine glass of wine, maybe a cold glass of beer, or maybe some water? Yes, everybody.
And being the good Pacific Northwest citizens we all are here, what do we want to do with our packaging when we're done? We want to, I would, recycle, right? So I'm going to go over. But I threw my cup in there too. And that's weird, right? Because we don't, at the end of the evening, send our glassware and our bottles to the same location.
No, so the real question is, why do we treat our glass bottles so differently from our glassware?
The cherished glasses, grandma's candy dish that are lining your shelves at home are made of the same material as over 60 million wine bottles filled just down in Oregon last year alone. Just a small slice of the billions of glass bottles and containers. Now, in the evening, your glassware goes to the dishwasher. It's ready to go again. But what happens to those glass bottles? Even if placed into a recycling bin like this, statistically, it will end up in the landfill. Our single-use economy overlooks a very simple reality. The value of a used bottle is basically the same as a brand new one.
So here's where Revino comes in. We are a reuse network developer building a robust and sustainable glass supply network for wineries and the larger beverage industry, cleaning the planet one bottle at a time. So having grown up between a small rural town, Sisters, Oregon, and the Netherlands, I witnessed in Europe a refillable ecosystem that was truly thriving. And I was shocked, actually frustrated to find that reuse wasn't available here in the United States. In fact, we were the only industrialized country in the world that didn't have commercial scale reuse in place. Now, this is the gold standard, right? When you're looking at this solution actually is outpacing other solutions in terms of carbon savings and waste diversion.
When I was running a small, sustainably oriented winery down in Portland, Oregon, called Cooper's Hall, we were committed to the best packaging possible, which was kegs, only reusables for us. When a refillable beer bottle program launched in Oregon back in 2018, we joined as the only winery first. I got one other winery on board to put our wine into beer bottles, which is kind of a crazy idea for the marketplace. But during that time, we saw incredible engagement from consumers, from restaurants, from distributors who all wanted to be a part of this as far away as Minnesota. I had to tell them, didn't quite pencil out to ship them back right now, but I saw the opportunity for a paradigm shift within reusable packaging.
So our process operates in an infinite loop, starting with manufacturing and then distribution, moving to then consumption and retention, so return, and then finishing with washing and reuse. We partner with statewide redemption systems, third-party logistics providers, NGOs, distributors, and the largest glass manufacturer in the world. Now, we designed our Revino bottle with input from over 70 different wineries, and it offers emissions reductions of up to 85%. This has been established as a first-to-market product and is recognized globally as a reuse standard.
To date, we've got over 60 wineries committed in our first full year, with products hitting the shelf back in April. The market fit, the market size for reusable packaging touches nearly every single consumer in the United States. I'd imagine everyone in the room, show of hands, has bought something in a bottle in the last year, in the last week even. So this is a really exciting opportunity for us to start in the wine space where this really makes sense and then move down market in the future. We've had the honor and the privilege of spreading the word of reuse to well over 1 million households just with earned media alone, and we've been awarded one of 2024's most innovative food and beverage companies.
So we've proven the concept, validated the market, and now our model is primed for growth with access to over $36 million in grant funding over the next 2 years that will allow us to build out future facilities and expand infrastructure, further dramatically improving the growth opportunities that we have in terms of revenue. We have an expert team and market wins at our back, and we're looking to bring in $1 million in catalytic capital to actually commercialize and further scale this business. With this all in mind, we're excited, we are ready, we have an expert team, we've got investors, we've got supporters that are all interested and eager to bring you on board to build out this reuse ecosystem.
come join us. We're super excited. Let's wash America's dishes. Woo.